We depend on nature, on clean water, fresh air, and ecosystems that provide us with a range of different vital services and benefits. But the environment and climate are changing under pressure from human activities. The most critical include climate change, water, food security, and biodiversity loss. To meet these challenges, we must rely on solutions that help us adapt to change on nature's premises. Nature-based solutions embrace actions that provide benefits for both human well-being and biodiversity. Instead of building technical infrastructures, we imitate or protect natural processes. Nature-based solutions are increasingly applied in the Nordic countries, but we need to learn more on how to do this as efficiently as possible and to share this knowledge with each other. The restoration of streams, rivers, peatlands, and wetlands has a long tradition and offers an extensive knowledge base. This is a former peatland that has been used for crop production for many years. But next summer, agriculture drainage ditches will be closed and the natural hydrology restored, so the water level of the site will rise. This will reduce the loss of organic carbon stored over millennia and reinstate conditions for its natural formation. Re-wetting will therefore promote long-term storage of greenhouse gases in the area.
Vi kigger nu på tørveholdige arealer i stedet for det primære mineraljords ådale. Og derfor ser vi også, at vi får gevinster med som kvælstof- og næringsstofreduktioner, og vi får også en bedre biodiversitet.
Vi har noget meget våde enge, og så kunne vi få noget højere beliggende, og vi kan få det hele samlet heroppe omkring. Til dette, med min alder, så vil jeg ikke drive jord mere. Og så kunne jeg få noget godt natur og jagt.
Og det gør vi så ved at se på det i helheder. Vi inddrager de berørte lodsejere, og hvis i større projekter, så nedsætter vi sådan følgegrupper, og hvor interessenter og så videre, lokalbefolkningen kommer med ind over, så vi får født idéerne til, hvad de har interesse i området nedefra.
Nature-based solutions can be considered for all types of ecosystems. It can be reforestation to store carbon or protect against erosion of land, or even restoration of coastal habitats to reduce flood risks of urban areas and enhance biodiversity. In order to learn from each other about relevant solutions in the Nordic context, we share relevant projects and experiences, policies, knowledge gaps, and cost-benefit analysis.